made yet another custom figure. This is Infinity Ultron based off of Season 2 of What If. This is an entry to Ben's Brick Films' new stop-motion animation competition, and first off we're going to start with the body and the legs of the Cyberman from the LEGO Doctor Who Dimensions, and take its arms and draw some permanent marker on it to give it that extra layer of metal detailing. Then get any red cape and put that on top as well. And then I have a custom piece here of Mr. Freeze's chestplate piece that I have painted and added the Infinity Stones to. Then you can either use Ultron Mighty Micro's face from the stop motion, or I decided to go with Vision's face, and then a custom painted helmet as well. And there you have it, a pretty good Infinity Ultron custom minifigure. As well as if you want to make the accessory, cut up some katanas and put them in a lightsaber hilt. Anyway, that's the video for you. I hope I win this time.